Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Damon Black, and first of all, I just want to apologize that I haven't been posting for the last couple of weeks. I've been very busy with my personal stuff and also some health issues. So today's video is going to be very short. I just want to show you how much I make per month as a digital nomad, completely affiliate marketing, personal coaching, and everything you see here on screen is from free traffic from my YouTube channel, from my Facebook. So all of these leads, all of these commissions, they're from free traffic that I leverage myself online, okay? So I just want to show you a quick recap of how much I made last month, so basically February. I'm not bragging this video. I just want to show you that anything is possible, and if you put your mind onto something, you can definitely make stuff happen online. You just got to put in the work. You have to stay consistent. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for the upcoming weeks, months. Okay, I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be posting regularly 3 times, 4 times a week. Okay, so guys, these results on screen, this is Clickfunnels. Okay, this is basically Clickfunnels. This is a platform, this is a software I promote with my YouTube channel. It's basically a sales funnel builder. And every time I get somebody onto Clickfunnels, I get a 40% commission. And there's 2 plans on Clickfunnels. There's a $97 plan and a $297. And as you can see here, this is no fake results. I mean, I can refresh the page. Down here are all my leads. As you can see, I don't want to reveal any names, emails, all of that. So these are basically my stats for the last 30 days. I don't really push Clickfunnels that much, but I just leave a link in my YouTube description. If anybody wants to join Clickfunnels under me, they can do that to support me, you know. So here is monthly recurring revenue. So basically, once I get somebody to sign up to Clickfunnels, I get a 40% commission until they cancel their plan. So right now I have 2 new trials. 5 people are currently trialing, and trial monthly potential revenue is $515. And right now I make $300 every single month from Clickfunnels, okay? And this is just potential, okay? So these 7 people, they might convert, they might not, but if they do, that's an extra $500 per month. So I'm just gonna quickly just put it right into my calculator so you can see things clearly. So I basically make anywhere between $4 to $500 per month with Clickfunnels, okay? So let's do $400. Let's just do it in euros because all of my payments coming in are euros, okay? So let's do USD to euro. That's 370 euros. Okay. Or you know what? Let's do it the other way around. I'm gonna show you everything in US dollars, okay? So I'm gonna keep it like this: $400. Okay, plus next is my Stripe account. Basically, I just put in February 1st to February 29th. I'm not doing anything. As you can see here, you can see this is no fake results. This is my name, Damon Black LLC. And as you can see, I made over 500 euros, which is exactly to USD. That's $650, so we can put it right there. Okay, so this is for my personal one-on-one coaching, my course sales, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so an extra $650, so I'm already at $1,000. And last but not least is my PayPal reports. And on PayPal, as you can see here, the 1st of the 2nd, which is the 1st of February, okay, to the 29th of February, I'm not doing anything. As you can see on screen, you can basically, there's no way I can edit the page like this. Okay, so I also have payments coming in through my PayPal account, and I made 1,150 euros with my PayPal account, which is about $1,200, okay? So as you can see here, on February, I made over $2,000 with free traffic. And as I said before, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, this is all free traffic. I did not spend anything to make this money. And bear in mind, I also make money with CPA, but I did not count that in because I do spend a lot of money for campaigns, paid advertising, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all that good stuff, Instagram influencers. So I did not include that into my monthly income. So as you can see here, just purely with free traffic, nothing else, okay, I didn't spend anything to make this, I made $2,250 free, okay? This is 100% profit. I keep everything of this, okay? I also make a couple of dollars here and there from more affiliate programs I promote, but I'm not gonna stick that into this video because that would be an extra $100, $200, okay? So if you really want to do that, I promote proxies, I promote domains, VPNs, and I make about $100 per month doing that, okay? So to sum it all up, I basically make about $2,000 to $3,000 with completely free traffic and affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so to sum it all up, I make anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 every single month with free traffic, promoting affiliate products, my own products. So as you can see, anything is possible, okay? So I want you to hit that like button, comment what you think below. And if you want some personal one-on-one coaching, or just make sure to contact me via email or anything like that, okay? Okay guys, so to sum it all up, I just wanted to inspire you guys and to show you that anything is possible, even with free traffic online. You just have to get the work done. So if you did enjoy this video, I just want you to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be posting consistently for the upcoming weeks or months to come. Okay, so make sure to keep an eye out on my channel. I'm going to be posting bangers. Okay guys, so if you want some one-on-one coaching with me, okay, I offer 45-minute calls. Make sure to contact me via email or go to my Facebook profile, add me there and message me, and I'll definitely help you out, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.